Hi friends, welcome to another video. This is going to be my Boxycharm and my Ipsy. I did try to upload a video on that yesterday. I tried I think 2 or 3 times and it was just a flop, so I just had to redo it. Hopefully this one works for you guys. But yeah, it's the first time I got Boxycharm and Ipsy at the same time. Well, it's my second Boxycharm, so that might be why. So anyways, let me start with showing you guys what I got from Boxycharm. I am actually currently wearing most of the stuff that they gave me. I will show you a small clip also for some things that I use. Like, here is the Cover FX. It is the blurring primer, and there is a color to it. There's a little bit of a tint to it, but it's like my skin color, so didn't faze me one bit. Hopefully it works really well on my skin. So yeah, there's this, and I think this is a full size. I'll put the price down here for this.
Alright, and here I am trying it out for the first time. I'm showing you right here that it is tinted, but when I put it on my skin, I can't see it on my skin. I don't know if it's just because it matches my skin really well or if it just blends into any skin color. I'm not sure. Gotta cover my 5 head too.
Also what they sent me was a matte lip gloss. It's Boxycharm matte lip gloss by Beauty Creations, and it was in the color of Kiss Me. I am not wearing it today because I was going for more of a warm color, not really a bright and fun, but it is a color I actually would go for. Let me show you the actual tube. That's what it looks like. It's very vibrant, and it is definitely a color I would go for if I want to just have some fun lip color. I do tend to stay with like the neutrals and the pinks for the most part, and this is definitely a color I would definitely go for. This is what the lip sponge looks like. It's just really nice, really beautiful color. I will say I did try it, and it didn't stay on all day, that's for sure. But once you get it on, you better like do any corrections you got to do fast because it does stay on for a little while. So, but yeah, I do like this color a lot. Also what they sent us was Aesthetica makeup brush. Here's what, ooh, it's upside down here. And this is the brush. I really like it. I used it for my blush today, which I really like. It is actually really soft. It's not super soft like the IT Cosmetics brushes that I normally go for, but it is still soft enough for me, and I love it. So I really do like this as well. And then in that line, they did send Aesthetica makeup brushes, like eye makeup brushes, like these right here. Here's this I think you can use for, you can smoke it out with some gel eyeliner or even powder eyeliner. This one just do more like a tight lined, more detail eyeliner. And this spoolie, I think is what it's called, I'm not sure, but for your eyebrows. I today used this brush, and I'll show you in a little clip too. I used that to use with my next thing that they sent me, which was from Pretty Vulgar, and it is a gel eyeliner. This is so cool. This is like an inkwell. It looks so cool, and it's filled to here, so if this doesn't dry out, it's going to last a very long time. Well, I'm in my 50s, but yeah, I think this is so cute. I love the style of it. I was so excited to get this because I love like the antique look to it. Really cool.
And here I am trying this out for the first time as well. I'm using the Aesthetica brush that has like the smaller brush, I guess you'd say, and I'm dipping it into the Pretty Vulgar gel black eyeliner. And yeah, just trying to do this. I've never used a gel eyeliner before, so forgive me if I totally make a mess of this. Alright, so I'm done with that side. Now to move on to the next side. And let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a get ready with me video. I don't mind doing that. I think that sounds like fun. I actually think it turned out pretty good.
Oh yes! Oh yeah! Duh! Alright, and they also sent from, I think it's Pure. I think that's not, I don't think it's Pure, I think it's Pure. But Pure Sculptor. It is a contouring set. There is a mirror, which I love, but let me show you this right here. Here's these colors. These two are obviously way too dark to use for contouring for me. I'm a little lighter skin, but I love the highlighter colors right here and here. I actually used all of these today, or I didn't use the darkest one yet, but I used all of these but this one today just for my eye makeup. So this is what it looks like. I love it for eye color. I mean, I have to use it for that because these are just too dark for anything else for me. And then I did use this right here, the lightest one, as a highlighter, as you can see right here. So it is definitely glowing. I'm glowing today. I'm not pregnant, but I'm glowing. I really like this set, and I will use it for a highlighter and also for eye makeup. I do not mind doing that. All right, you guys, next is my Ipsy. So this is the really cute bag that they sent this time, and it's a really cute little travel bag. On here, there's like a little airplane, and on the other side says Ipsy. I'm gonna show you. Boop. And then the back of it is just a really pretty coral color with that yellow. It's just really adorable. I think this is so fun for traveling for the summertime. Here is the card that they sent. It is go there. So basically it's just talking about traveling and having a great vacation or something. So great summer coming up. All right, they sent me something from SL Miss Glam. It's a new product, new company that they're working with. It is really tiny though, you guys. It is a makeup blender or blending sponge. It's really tiny, but it will expand a little bit once it gets wet. Sorry, my phone cut off. So anyways, this does remind me of the Maybelline makeup blender sponge. It does have like goes up right here like a little flat surface, but the Maybelline one is a little bit bigger. It is black and it has a more of a tip, like a curved tip even, just to get into serious tiny spots. But I'm gonna give this a try. I haven't tried it out yet, but I will try this out. And maybe I'll give you guys, I don't know, maybe I'll do a test run video for it or something, just test it out. Also, what they sent me was from Moly, I think that's pronounced. It is a painting therapy pack. Basically, it is a black color clay face mask that you put on. Let's see, let me just show you. Yeah, just looks like that. Get back in there. Alright. So I am going to try this out. I have not tried it out yet, but I will definitely be excited to try it out. And then also they sent me from Aiko London. This is the box. It is a liquid eyeliner. And this is what the tube looks like. It says, I do liquid eyeliner, and then it says, that's where I draw the line. It's cute. It is very pigmented. I'm excited to try it out, but today I wanted to try out the gel eyeliner. So that's what I'm wearing today. But look how black that is. It's like so impactful. I love it. I love, love, love it. All right, I will be using that tomorrow. And then next they sent me from Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. I have not tried this out yet. I wanted to try this, but I forgot to do it this morning. But this is what it looks like. So yeah, I think it is a good size sample. I have not using it, as you can see here, the tab is still on it. But I heard that there's a lot of flashback when people do use it. So I'm just going to go online and get some ideas on how I can do it without doing the huge flashback. But as you can see here, my highlighter's doing enough flashback for you without this help. So yeah, I got this. I'm excited because I love the brand Tarte. I absolutely love that brand. Also, I did get an extra goodie. It is from Pink Pewter, and it is eyeshadow, and it is the color Kokuyo Bay. I was really excited because I had enough glam points, or whatever they call it, and I could get a freebie of something. So I picked this because I liked the color, and I'm like, I don't think I have an eyeshadow that color. But this is what it looks like. Super pretty. I think it'd be really fun for the summertime. Let me show you on my hand next to that. See? Super pretty. I was like, yes! And I got it in the mail. I was like, yay! I can't wait to try it out. Alright guys, that is my Boxycharm and my Ipsy bag for the month of May. I hope you have enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys again next time. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. And like I said, I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!